Good morning, children. Today we are going to move to the next lesson on tenses, that is chapter number 11, past tense. We have already completed present tense and till now we learnt there are three types of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. The verb in the past tense tell us about actions that took place some time ago. That means action which is over. Look at this example. Roma played tennis last Friday. It means the action is over. The word played tells us that the action is over. Yesterday I bought new clothes. We ate breakfast in the morning. So these examples tell us about action which is already over. That means words like played, bought, ate, they talk about action which took place some time ago. Now look at this example. I went to the market yesterday. There are two types of past tense: simple past tense and past continuous tense. Same way as in present tense, we learned simple present tense and present continuous tense. So let us see what is simple past tense. Simple past tense. We add D or ED to change some of the verbs into their past tense forms. Right, children? So in simple past tense, to change the verb into its past tense form, you either add D or ED. Let us see some examples where we use D or ED to change a verb into its past tense form. Raise, raised. Here, raise is present. When you add D to it, it changes into its past tense form, that is raised. Play, played. Same way, other words like twinkle, twinkled, look, looked, wash, washed, help, helped, type, typed, bark, barked. So you see, children, in all the words, either we add D or ED to change it into its past tense form. Now children, it's very important to know the present and the past tense form of these verbs because they help you when you speak, right? They help you when you want to say some action in past tense form. So you are able to use them correctly. Let's see some more examples. Ask, asked. Call, called. Cook, cooked. Love, loved. Walk, walked. Open, opened. And finish, finished. Here also we add either D or ED to the verb to change it into its past tense form. Now, let us read this. All verbs do not change into their past tense form by adding D or ED. Right? Some verbs take a special form when they are used in the past tense. In some verb, the spelling changes when they change into past tense form. And some verbs change completely or do not follow any rule while changing. They change into past tense in irregular ways. Let us see examples of these kind of words. Now look at this. Bring. Bring is present. When you change it into past, we say brought. Eat, ate. Keep, kept. Sleep, slept. Send, sent. Get, got. Tell, told. Teach, taught. More examples which you need to learn. Okay, children, because these words will help you to speak English in a better way, right? And they will also help you in your exercises that we are going to do after we learn the lesson. Stand, stood. Come, came. Make, made. Know, knew. Sit, sat. Buy, bought. Leave, left. Meet, met. Now here on the left hand side, children, the words are in present form, and in right hand side they are in past tense form. Some more words to learn. Catch, caught. Go, went. Hide, hid. Write, wrote. Run, ran. Take, took. Ring, rang. Say, said. So now let us read this page from the book. Open chapter number 11, past tense. Let us read together. Verbs in the past tense tell us about actions that took place some time ago. For example, I went to the market yesterday. Rahim played tennis with his friends. Simple past tense. We add D or ED to change some verbs into their past tense forms. Look at the examples. Hope, hoped. Dance, danced. Push, pushed. Call, called. Note the change in the spelling of some words when they change into the past tense form. Ring, rang. Come, came. Find, found. Fly, flew. Some words change completely or do not follow any rule while changing. They change into the past tense in irregular ways. Go, went, teach, taught, buy, bought, bring, brought. Right, children? All these examples we have already read. Now it's time to do writing work. So get ready with your textbook. Today we will do exercise A, B, C on page number 45 and 46. Are you ready with your books? Children, open page number 45, chapter number 11, exercise A. Match the verbs in column A with their simple past tense forms in column B. Can you see two columns here, children? Column A and column B. You have to match the words. Words in column A are in present tense form. You have to match it with words in past tense form. So let's start. Now when we have to match, what we do, children? We draw lines, right? No, we do not draw lines. We will be writing numbers, okay, so that it looks more neat. So what you will do? You will draw lines in column B just before the letters, okay, like I made here. Then you will be writing numbers just on the line. Let's start. Number 1, bring. What will be the past tense of bring? Yes, now you all know. So let's say aloud and match. Bring, brought. Write number 1 in front of brought. 2, fold, folded. Number 3, end, ended. Number 4, make, made. Number 5, fall, fell. Number 6, swim, swam. Number 7, shoot, shot. Number 8, eat, ate. So did you all do it? Now we will go to the next exercise. Turn your page. On the next page, we have exercise B. Let us read what we have to do here. Choose the simple past tense forms of the underlined verbs and fill in the blanks. Here, children, the underlined verbs, can you see in all the sentences? You have to find out the past tense of these words from the help box given here. Okay, so let's do number 1. I eat ice cream once a week. I dash it yesterday. What will be the past tense of eat? Correct. Ate. Number 2, I always find yummy flavors. Last week, I dash mint. What will be the past tense of find? Found. Number 3, my mother usually buys it. My father dash it last time. Past tense of buys? Bought. Number 4, normally I choose the flavor. Last time my father dash it for me. Past tense of choose? Chose. Number 5, sometimes I hide it from my brother. Once he dash it from me. Past tense of hide? Hid. Next, number 6. He gets angry when I hide it. I also dash angry when he hid it. Past tense of gets, got. Last one. Now I always keep ice cream for him. He too dashed it for me last time. Past tense of keep, kept. Done, children? Now we will go to exercise C, last exercise for today. The last exercise for today, exercise C. Write a sentence each using the past tense forms of the given verbs. Now here, children, can you see these words? They are verbs which you have to change into past tense, and then you have to write a sentence. Okay, so let's read the word. Laugh, know, grow, eat, get. Now these words first you have to change into past tense forms. Let's change them. What is the past tense of laugh? Laughed. So what you have to do, just write on top of this word the way I have written. Write the past tense of it on top of the word. Okay, all of you write laughed. Then next word, know, knew. Then grow, grew, eat, ate, get, got. Now what you have to do, children, you have to frame sentence. Okay, you have to write sentence here in this blank with the words that we just wrote. That means you have to make sentence with the past tense words, these words. Okay, I will not help you with that. This exercise you will do it yourself. I will again repeat, you have to make sentences with these words. Okay, past tense words that we just made from the present tense words. Okay, frame sentence and write it in the blanks. So children, we come to the end of this exercise, and in next exercise we will learn about past continuous tense. Till then, enjoy yourself, take care of yourself. Goodbye.